Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sunil Kumar Jadhav and you are watching my YouTube channel Sunil Kumar Jadhav. Here in this video we are going to discuss about one important theorem of standard 9 mathematics. As per NCERT textbook, this is theorem 6.1. Let us see. The statement of the theorem is given here. Vertically opposite angles formed by two intersecting lines are equal, or we can say the measure of the vertically opposite angles are equal or angles are congruent. We should give the statement in a different way. Now let us see the data. Here line AB and line CD intersect each other at the point O. Now you know that theorem is having three parts, that is data, to prove and proof. So first of all we have to make the figure on the basis of the given data. Let us make it that line AB and line CD intersect each other at point O. You can see I draw the figure that line AB and line CD both are intersecting each other at this point, that is point O. Now what do they say? AOC and BOD. Let us see here AOC and BOD. You can see this makes the cross. It means AOC, this one, and BOD, this one, they are vertically opposite angles, as well as AOD, this, and BOC, this and this, the opposite to the cross. That means AOC, BOD, as well as AOD, this one, and BOC, these and these are vertically opposite angles. We need to prove that the vertically opposite angle are equal, that is AOC is equal to BOD, these and these are equal, as well as AOD, this, and BOC, this, both are equal. So we should do it for any one. First of all I'll begin with this one. So first I will begin with AOC, this angle. As AOC is equal to BOD we want to prove. Let us start the proof. AOC, this angle, this, and this angle, we can say, you can see here this is a line and this is a ray falling on it. Then we can say that these two angles are the pair of linear, or we can say linear pair of the angles. So these two angles, that is AOC and AOD, are the linear pair. So I will write it angle AOC, this one, and beside this angle I will take it AOD. Angle AOD are linear pair angles, or we can say they are making linear pair. You know that the angles of linear pairs are always supplementary, means the sum total of these two angles would be 180. Even we can check that this is a straight line. From here we should start and measure it up to here, then the sum total of both this angle would be 180. So I should write it, that is this two angle AOC and angle AOD, their sum means total is 180. So I can write it here, angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180. Let me say this equation number 1. Now I will take that this angle AOD as a common one in both the cases. So now if we will focus on the figure over here, that BOD, this angle, as well as that angle AOD, this angle and this angle are also forming the linear pair. So I will write it here, that is BOD and this angle, that is AOD, are angles of linear pair. So if they are forming the linear pair, they are also supplementary. So I can say sum total of both of them will be also equal to 180. So BOD plus AOD is also equal to 180. Let me say this is equation number 2. If we compare equation number 1 and 2, then you can see the right hand side of this equation is 180 and the right hand side of the equation number 2 is also 180. So if these two are equal, so we should compare the left hand side of the equation from 1 and 2. So I'll write it from equation 1 and 2. I can write it, I can compare this and this. So I can write that is therefore AOC plus AOD is equal to BOD plus AOD. Now if we will see, that is AOC plus AOD is equal to BOD plus AOD. You can see AOD is common at both the sides. So even AOD, I will bring this at the other side, then it would be AOD minus AOD. So it would be 0. So even if I can cut it, that AOD and AOD would be cut it from both the sides. So I should write it, that is angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. You can see this is one which has to prove, and similar way we will write it here. Similar way we should prove. What we should prove? That is second statement, that is AOD is equal to BOC. How we should prove it? You have to write it like this only, but how would you prove that? Then you can see here, that is AOD, this one, and BOC, these two are equal, that we need to prove. So first of all, I will take it, this angle and these angles are making linear pair. So sum total of both of them would be 180. Similar way, I will take this angle as a common. Now these and these two angles are also making linear pair, so they are also supplementary. Sum total would be 180. From equation 1 and 2, we should see that this angle would be common in both of them as we saw here. So they will be cancelled, and this angle AOD is equal to BOC. So this is how we should prove it, that the vertically opposite angle AOC is equal to angle BOD and AOD is equal to angle BOC. So this is how you can solve the theorem.